In a small rundown village lived a poor girl named Meera. Her family struggled to make ends meet, and Meera often went to bed hungry. But despite their hardships, Meera had one passion that kept her going: sketching. With a piece of charcoal and scraps of paper, she would draw anything she saw: the trees, the birds, the villages, even her dreams. Her sketches were full of life, but her father, a tired farmer, often scolded her. "Stop wasting time, Meera. Drawings won't fill our stomachs." But Meera couldn't stop. She practiced every day, improving her skills. One evening, a wealthy merchant passing through the village saw her sketching near the river. Impressed, he offered to buy one of her drawings. Meera, shocked, handed him a sketch of the sunset. The merchant paid her generously, enough to feed her family for a week. Word spread about Meera's talent. Soon, people from nearby towns commissioned her work. She saved every penny, and with time, she opened a small art school for children who, like her, had dreams but no means. Years later, Meera became a renowned artist, and her story inspired many. Her father, now proud, often said, "Your hard work turned charcoal into gold." Moral of the story: hard work and passion can turn even the smallest talent into great success. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how difficult the journey may seem.